In this tutorial, I will go through in Zazzle new design platform and explain how to create design for your products using it. They have updated their old design platform to this new platform. You can go to Google and search zazzle.com/create. Then you will redirect to this page. It's pretty straightforward platform than the previous one. We can see a number of templates for each and every category, such as postcards, Zoom, business cards, and Etsy. Let's click on this one and try to change the text in this picture. You can double click on it and type anything you want. Then click OK. Now let's try to adjust this. We can use the green guidelines to center the text on the picture and use bullet points to adjust the size of the text. It's easier than previous one. Let's try another template. There's a holidays Instagram. Let's edit this one. Duke the Park. There's a black color puppy in the picture, and you can edit the text as well, just like you edit in the previous example. You can change the colors. Let's try this one. You can also change the border color. Let's add yellow. Fill colors and more option there. You can adjust the frame and remove the picture or add new picture instead of this puppy. Let's try another one. You can create Tumblr banner images or YouTube images using this Zazzle Create. Let's try this one. I'm going to add this design into a t-shirt. I'm going to add new text. Let's type E and change the text. then click OK. Let's check what you have in this left side menu. You have shapes, you have illustrations. You can select any illustration you need among those illustrations. Let's go to products and select t-shirt design. Let's add this design into black color t-shirt. Let's check the preview. It's nice and clear. There's also a video preview. You can see how it looks like on a person. It's very useful for you. You have a facility to create your own design without a template. Let's create a brand new design. I'm going to add a fill color and some shapes from this left side menu. Let's take this chicken and do some adjustments for this design. Move it to the center using these green color guidelines. Let's add this spoon and fork. Let me move it to the corner. It looks nice. We still need few adjustments. Let's check a text for this design. Text style. I'll select this one and change the text to chicken. You can select any font from here. Let's move it. Now we have nice and clear design to sell on our products. You can use the same method to create your own products to sell on Zazzle. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. See you later.